Welcome to Exam Heist, your trusted partner in certification success. We provide comprehensive study materials, available both online and offline. We're here to guide you every step of the way. From in-depth PDF guides to structured practice sets, we covered all essential questions to help you in certificating. You'll always have the right resources at your fingertips. Download the PDFs, take practice tests, and connect with our expert support team. Interactive online practice support, so you can test yourself anytime, anywhere. Exam-ready PDFs, carefully curated with essential questions. Top performers consistently rely on Exam Heist. With thousands of learners already certified, we've built a reputation for quality and trust. Expert assistance, where certified professionals are available to answer your queries. And most importantly, content that stays up to date with the latest exam patterns. Start today, and move one step closer to your certification success. So don't wait. Give your preparation the winning edge with Exam Heist. Visit examheist.com now. Exam Heist, your journey to success starts here.
Question 1. A customer currently uses a third-party proxy solution for client endpoints and would like to migrate to Prisma Access to secure mobile user internet-bound traffic. Which recommendation should the systems engineer make to this customer? Option A. With the explicit proxy license add-on. Set up Global Protect. Option B. With the mobile user license. Set up explicit proxy. Option C. With the explicit proxy license. Set up a service connection. Option D. With the mobile user license. Set up a corporate access node. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is Option B. With the mobile user license, set up explicit proxy. Question 2. What is a benefit of deploying Secure Access Service Edge (SASE) with a secure web gateway (SWG) over a SASE solution without a SWG? Option A. A heartbeat connection between the firewall peers ensures seamless failover in the event that a peer goes down. Option B. It prepares the keys and certificates required for decryption, creating decryption profiles and policies, and configuring decryption port mirroring. Option C. Protection is offered in the cloud through a unified platform for complete visibility and precise control over web access, while enforcing security policies that protect users from hostile websites. Option D. It creates tunnels that allow users and systems to connect securely over a public network, as if they were connecting over a local area network. LAN. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is Option C. Protection is offered in the cloud through a unified platform for complete visibility and precise control over web access, while enforcing security policies that protect users from hostile websites. Visit examheist.com now. Start your exam success today. Prepare smarter with Exam Heist. Practice real exam questions. Download PDFs and revise with confidence.